cars growing up, the chrome, the colors, the interiors, they're not just cars. They have personalities. And I like that. To me, they're not just widgets. They're not just items that you can buy on a shelf and then when it breaks or if you get tired of it, just throw it away. They have personalities. They're an extension of your person. That's why I feel it's important. They mean something. When I sell a vehicle, it's like part of my family. I want to make sure that vehicle is safe, if not the best vehicle that fits that person. Some people don't know what they want. Me being in the car industry, if people tell me their needs, I can steer them in the right direction and put them in a vehicle that they can be happy about. Be happy about the purchase they made. Be happy about the advice that I've given them. I sleep with a clear conscience at night, and I take a lot of pride in the vehicles I sell. And again, they're not just cars to me. Each one is I don't want to say special, it's kind of cliche-ish, but it's like selling a part of my family, because our family represents Buick GMC, and I want to share that with everyone. So we make sure that their experience at the dealership has that family connection of when they drive off, that they can call me in a week and say, hey, Dan, you know what? I love my truck. I love my SUV. I'm glad I bought the truck, but more importantly, I made a friend, and thank you.